Come on, Coda. I can't use those with
There it is.
I'm gonna give our treat.
Are you on?
Yeah, you need what you need. So we're out at the Daphne Sports Complex. Hey, Alyssa.
It's A1 Trione.
Softball. Hello. Oh, it's A1 Trione. Hey, Black Blitz. Thank y'all for joining. Okay. So we were gonna play. Thank y'all for the likes. We're gonna play a little CodaBall. Okay. Well, my husband just informed me we're gonna play filter stretch first.
Whatever you want to do, I'll try to get other things hooked up. It's fine.
So let me get the bat. I can check the comments afterwards, but I can't comment back until after this is our third live event. So after our third live event, after this event, then I'll be able to comment, but during the live event. But here we go. Ready, Coda?
Put the show on.
You see Coda? Coda, get over here, right here. Okay, yes, thank you. Good call. We didn't put it down. Let's see. Okay, here we go.
You don't want to turn it around and do the other way?
No. No. All right, guys. All right. Yeah, they can see you. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. I got your treat. Come on. I got your treat, little Coda. Thank you for hitting the likes. Like it. Thank you for joining. Coda, come here. I got a treat. I got it. Here we go. Sit. You got something all in your mouth. I wish you could look at the camera. Hold on, let me get it off the mouth.
You want to talk?
Okay. Good. Go. All right, ready? Yep.
See, this is where I think you should hit right to it.
Okay.
Like right into it.
Get in the camera.
Like it's coming at him. Yeah, that's a pretty good one.
It wasn't in there.
You didn't get her in there? Oh. Well. You've got to do better than that.
Coda. Ready? She's watching you run. Okay, here we go. Ready, Coda? Good job. Here we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Good catch, Coda. Good catch. Give it right here. Good. Can I see you? Thank y'all for joining Marcy and Jackson and Sling, Jink, Sam, and Bruce, and Xander. Thank y'all for joining, and Annabelle. So watch Coda. Coda, you ready? Get over the picture. Right here. She did it again. Okay, there. You can see her. Ready? I didn't hit it good enough. Let me see. Can I see the other bat, Ryan?
Yeah, it's right in there. You need to hit it like
Lila, thank you for joining.
Them,
Indeed.
like going into them. You know what I'm saying? Like
we're out at the A1 Trione.
Like where she's running into
Daphne Sports Complex.
So she don't hurt herself in that hole. Like, and she comes flying towards the thing. So they see her in the camera. No, don't come towards the camera. You get back.
I got it right here. Right here. Oh, I like the heart. Thank you for the heart. Here you go. Ready, got it? Run.
They're gonna go.
Cut it. Here comes the doggy dog. Cut it. You ready?
Go, get ready. She's ready. Throw it up in there. Oh, she dropped it. She dropped it. She dropped it. She dropped it. She dropped it.
Coda, right here. Coda. Coda, right here. Coda.
I ain't believing she dropped it.
Right here. All right. Sit. Good. Sit. Good girl. All right. Stay. Coda. Stay. Stay. Hey. Right here. There's another dog over there. You ready, Coda? Right here. Coda. Coda.
Let's play CodaBall. Oh, she got that one. She got one.
Yeah.
You wanna play CodaBall?
I swipe right for something. Oh.
Hey, do you wanna play
Oh, how old is she? She is, I didn't know I could see this. She is 3.5 years old. And she is very distracted. Yes, she is distracted because another dog just came in.
She had the whole park to herself, but now
We are at the dog park. We usually play out at the baseball field. Thank y'all for the hearts. All right, here.
Did you see that? She got that one. Let's play again. Here, I'll pitch to you.
Okay, so we're gonna play again.
CodaBall.
CodaBall.
Let's play any. Tell them the rules again. You want to swing it around, or you want to just keep it like that? When you swing it around, you'll see the right. Like you'll turn the camera thing around, like this right here. No. You won't be able to see it. You'll have to go see them every time after the event. But like you got to flip it. How do you flip this? Like flip the screen.
It's not, I know how to flip it now.
Oh, it's not unless you flip it then?
No, I don't know.
I thought it did. Anyway, so don't worry about it.
Okay.
You're batting left-handed. Looks like you're batting left-handed.
Apple user, Black Blitz, Eddie Suts, Rob, Laura, user 202. Thank y'all for joining, and Jen. Okay, so we're about to play a game of CodaBall.
Is she in the screen? Make sure she's in the screen.
Coda is not in the screen. Hold on. There she is.
That's the most important thing.
Yes, please hearts. Please hearts.
You ready?
Okay. Coda. All right.
Ask her if they caught it.
Okay, please tell me if y'all saw
I
that.
think I saw that.
Yes, she caught that on the bounce.
Yeah.
All right, play again.
Did they see that?
James, thank you for joining. And Shan. We got new viewers, yes. So we have a baseball playing dog, Coda. This is the star. This is the star, right there. This is Coda. She is a rescue Australian Shepherd and boxer mix.
Now you want to push it back. So you can get the most of her.
Okay.
So are you saying how much he's in the, how much, what's our distance? What's our, like how can you see me over here? Like look at this thing, can you see me over here?
No,
Tell me when you see me.
I can see you.
Huh?
Thank you for the hearts. I can see you back over that way.
Tell me when.
Now.
Okay. Okay, so how far do I get to go right here? Can you still see me?
Yeah. Keep going. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Danny.
You still see me?
Yes, I can still see you.
Okay.
Hi, Michael Long.
This is our range right here.
Please hearts. Please hearts. So now, yes, y'all can comment, and I can see the comments. This is our third time to go live, so I'm learning.
Get a towel for home plate.
Okay. Home plate. I can take off this big jacket.
Don't hit
now.
this phone with the back. Yo! That's an out. That's an out.
Didn't mean to hit it that hard.
That's an out. Tell me you gotta hit it because
Yeah, it's an out. If I hit it over her head, it's an out.
You know, skill set. Got it, Tony. You did good. She still caught it. It's still out anyway.
Okay, get the ball. So those who are new, hey Black Blitz, and MC55 and Emma, those of y'all who are new, Coda is the star. Watch her.
2 out. 2 out.
Okay.
Two out.
Get it there, Coda.
Oh, that's a run.
Good,
Good try. You should have caught that. I can't believe you didn't catch that.
They liked it. Yay!
Right there.
They liked it, Coda. They liked it.
Gee, that's a run. You got to run. She should have caught that.
Oh, okay. Good.
That's a run. You should have had it. You got to beat on. You got to get a good beat.
All right.
Stop.
Say, Coda. It's coming to you, baby.
You're drilling it to her. Right. That's one out. I mean, that's out.
Okay, so my turn to bat? I mean, not bat.
You pitch.
Okay.
1-0. 1-0. So every swing's either a out or a run. And the objective is to hit the ball to Coda, give her a chance to field the ball. If you don't hit it to her to give her an opportunity to field it, it's an out. So you want to look at it. They hear me? Okay. That's a sorry pitch.
I know.
Out one. Out one.
Sorry.
And you got her up there.
No, I'm not
got
sorry.
Her, you don't have her. Put her back there. So that was terrible. I should have taken that. If I wouldn't have swung, that would not have been an out. Stay. This is a makeshift baseball field if I've ever seen one. Strike 2. That's out 2. Woo, that was terrible. Woo, that was bad.
Way to field that ball.
Boy, she scooped that one, didn't she, fellas? Hey, go up there. That's out there. Good job. I got it. 1-0 after 1. We played 3 innings. Good job.
Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the hearts. Hi, Brad Osborne. And Rob Powers and John. They can see Coda. Yes, Coda is the star of the white dog. Okay.
Nope. All right. Be ready.
Yes. I don't know if they saw that, but maybe they did. Y'all see that?
That was out. Maybe we need to scoot the. No, just leave it out here.
We're good. Okay. I get another bat. I get another bat.
I got you a little inside on that. That was a good play, man. 1 out. Stop. Gosh, she's coming in way too close. Oh, that's an out.
Straight to you.
Nice job. 2 up, 2 down. 2 up, 2 down. She don't miss it. Tell them that she doesn't play this well every time. This is ever.
No, she plays better when she knows she's on camera. Hi, Nancy. Hi, little tummy. Please like. Thank you. Hey, Johnny and Allie.
2 out.
All right.
2 out. 1-0, top of the second.
Yeah.
Oh, they gave her another run. 2-0. Tell her why she got a run.
Okay. Well, she didn't field the ball cleanly, so therefore, I got to run. This is called CodaBall.
Stop. You're gonna get a hit on
Hi,
the head, I'm
Earl.
gonna give her the run.
And okay, the Dutchman. Okay.
2-0.
Get it there, Coda.
Oh, yes. She caught it!
Yes. Yes.
Way to go back. Way to go back and get it. Way to go back and get it.
I don't. What does this
Nice
mean?
job. Nicely done. Very well done.
Okay.
They saw that.
Isn't
That's
this
out 3.
popular live?
That's out 3.
Oh, out 3. Okay. Yeah, she called it. So out 3.
They
All right.
saw that.
Yeah, they saw that. Yes, they did. Oh, they said OMG. Hi, the workers. Wow, that was nice. Thank you. Coda. They loved it. They loved it, Coda.
Bottom of the second.
Come on, Coda.
She's ready to play top. Bottom of the second. All-time fielder. I can't believe she caught that. That was a pretty tough play to make right there, I must say. Very tough play to make. Get her back there so I have some room to hit. She's not giving me any room to hit. There we go. Yeah, they saw that. All right, coming at you. Hey, stop. Show me some respect there, Coda. 2-0. Bobbling. Yeah, 1 out. I can't get one in play, Coda. She's not respecting me at all. Ah! Well, ask them what they think. Is that an out or a catch? Is that an out or a run? Do you think she should? Is that a catch, or y'all think she caught it, or y'all think she dropped it? I don't think we got. Let's see what are they saying. I can't tell.
No, they can comment now.
Say hi. I don't know how to do it.
Hi, Kevin. Thank you for joining.
That's a run.
Out. They said out. You're out.
Said out.
You're out.
They said out. Okay, 2 outs.
Yes, we have.
It's 2 outs. 2 outs. Still got another bat.
The referees in the
I still got. She dropped it. Put her back there.
umpires, not referees.
Yeah, the umpires. Oh. Okay. All right, stop. All right, here we go. 2 outs, 2-0. Wow. That girl's got some hops, don't she? All right, so top of the third, 2-0.
Hi, Hannah.
I'm getting big.
Out. Yep. All right. Now it's my bat.
It's 2-0.
It's 2-0. Me? I'm winning.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm winning.
She drops every one of yours.
This is the. If you have a dog. If you have a dog that likes balls, this is a DuraPlay Duraball. It's squeaky, but she's taking the squeaky out of it. But it's squeaky, but she's taking the squeaky out of it. But all right, here you go, Brian.
Top of the third, tell me the last inning.
This is the last inning.
It's 2-0.
Please like it if you like it.
It's 2-0.
It's 2-0. I'm winning. Coda's the star. Where's
You won
Coda?
last game 1-0 because Coda dropped it. You won the inaugural game 1-0. Hey.
She sees I had the ball. Oh, good catch, Brian.
That's a nice grab. Last inning. Hey, stop.
Okay.
Stop. Boy, she thinks she's all-star over there.
Get in here.
Oh, you dropped it again.
She dropped it. Was that a, please tell me, yeah, that was definitely an out because she dropped it.
She dropped it.
I know. Oh, so it's not an out.
It's
Sorry.
a run.
I have a run. So 3 to nothing.
I'm not scoring.
Me.
It took 2 games. But she didn't let me score.
Okay.
Had that. You know you should have that. Get you back to that. Just drop it. That's right. 4-0. Catch the ball.
It's because you're being too hard on
No,
her.
I'm not. I'm just playing with her. She knows I'm just playing.
Well, we had to go riding around forever just to find a place. Hi to Pang222 and Judy and Jason. Thank you. And little big dog. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose, little big dog. Just got the number. Thank you for the hearts. Okay, here we go. Mom.
4-0. No outs.
Coda's the star.
That's out. That's just don't want it out.
That's it out because I hit it over her head. It was not able to be fielded. So the score is 3.
No, it's 4-0. 1 out.
4-0. 1 out. Oh, by the way, it looks like I'm batting left-handed, but I'm really batting right-handed. But Brian, my husband, can bat left-handed or right-handed.
It looks like you're batting left-handed.
I know, that's what I said.
Another out. Come here. She got it anyway. Good job.
She's not respecting me.
Let's get you out here. Come on, Coda. Hit one ball if you
Out there.
Coda.
Oh, she sees something. Where's she going? Where's she going? Where's she going? Where are you going, Coda? Oh, no. What is it?
I don't think they do that in Major League Baseball. Coda.
Yeah, Coda. We're in a game. She's distracted again.
Hey, we're not used to playing
Jeb,
ball.
thank you for joining. And Gary, I want to say hi. Hi. And Troy, BT, Misunderstood, Thomas Thompson. Lucas, thank you for joining.
Get in the game. Get the booty in the game. Hey, in the game.
Get your head in the game, Coda.
In the game.
Stay out there, Coda. Okay, here we go.
She's ready for that bomb this time.
Please like. Here we go.
Ready? Stop.
So what is this score?
2 outs.
2 outs, 4 to nothing. I'm winning.
I can't believe she moved in.
Coda is good play.
That was easy. She shouldn't have moved in so much.
Good play, Coda.
So I got to score 4.
Coda, bring it on back, baby girl. Bring it on back, baby girl.
I've been 5 innings. I've never scored a run. I got to score 4. Okay. Get her up to him. I'm betting with him.
Okay, so you're really going.
So it's gonna look like I'm betting right-handed. So everybody looks like me. Let me see where y'all need to get. She needs to get to your right of you. Right there, yeah. Right, not that dark. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, it's actually perfect. She can't quite see as good. You gotta get over here on the left side. Stay. You gotta get on this side over here. Get on over a little bit. I'm gonna hit you over to that way. Yes. Yes. Yes, I can see Coda. I can see Coda fine. Oh! That's out. You were like 2 feet from me, by the way.
That was good, Coda.
Good job. I'm not prepared to hit left-handed and have to slap it like that. I gotta get a run to be. Hey, I'm not batting left-handed. I can't slap it like that. I need to. Get her there. Yeah, she's fine right there. She'll stay right there. All right, I'm hitting one for real. Hey, you better stop. Coda, I'm hitting you one hard. Oh! Get her back there. 4 to nothing, 2 outs, no runs. Pitiful performance here. I can't get one in play that she don't catch. When I do get it in play, she catches it. That's all right. Give me a get a run right here. I'm not getting shut out again. That's a home run. That's the out. Game over.
Okay, well,
I bet they saw
game over. He hit it over the fence. See, probably not. Yep, okay, so Tommy and Don and Todd and Glenn, thank y'all for all joining. And please, like, we've been playing a game of CodaBall with our superstar dog. Coda, come here. Relay.
Oh! They caught that. That was nice. They saw that. How many time have we been? Y'all finished with fielder stage or something. Walk around the park. That was pretty good. That was a good game.
That was a good game.
You know that?
So I won.
That was a really good game.
I know we're supposed to go at least 30 minutes today. I don't know. Brian, little big dog, and Brian Oh,
You don't know how
Say
many
hi.
times you've been around?
how do you know?
Oh, I have no idea.
I don't know.
I just go run. I'm not ever going to run.
Less. Okay, all right. Come on, Coda. Coda. All right. They still want to see. They're still giving hearts, okay? So here. Ready? Nice. 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 Right back here. Right here. Right here. Okay. All right. I didn't get it, did you? Don't mind yourself. Just stay right there. Here, Coda. Coda. She drops it. Coda, be nice. Bring the ball. Bring the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Right here. Right here. Right here. Yeah, right here. There you go. Good. Ready? Good. Okay. Perfect. Huh. She was perfectly. Did y'all like seeing it from that way or from the other way?
I don't know. I would want to see it coming forward, but I don't know what I'm talking about either.
Over here, Coda.
You know what I mean? Oh, she dropped one.
She caught it on the hop.
That don't count. That's a bobble. That's an error. You realize that, right? That's an error. I have no idea. I don't know how you say. I don't think so. You start at 6, so it could have been. You didn't start at 6. I think you started at 6:01.
I started at 6.
Oh, 1. Here, let me get her one.
Okay, so we have just a couple more minutes left. And thank you, Barry and Vincent. And we have,
Everybody come watch.
yeah, watch this one, please. Michael and Jesse, please watch.
Have her position right here, Coda. In there, baby. In there.
They can't see Coda. They can't see Coda.
They can't see Coda?
Nope.
What about
Okay, now.
Can of corn, baby. Oh, she.
She waited on it.
Oh, that was kidding. You ready? Bubble.
Foul ball.
Hey, you ready? Oh, it's terrible. My
Can
bad.
I hit it?
No, I don't want you to hit it. Stop. She's killing me now, baby. Look at her. She definitely don't respect me.
She gets so serious.
Look at her.
She's
I
not
hit the
even
ball
moving.
10 Now I can hit left-handed.
Yes. Good girl, Coda.
Now I hit left-handed. Now.
We're going to get better video equipment here soon. So y'all can see her better.
Now I can hit left-handed.
She caught that.
Yes, you got that. Good job.
Where is she?
Nicely done. Nicely done. Nicely done. Come on. Well, tell me had somebody here live like you see.
Okay, yeah, we're at the dog park at A1 Try 1.
Yep.
Hi, Pam.
Yep. In there.
Yay, Coda!
Ball game.
Ball game. All
How
right,
much time we got?
we got to end it on that. That was
No, you
too
get
good.
hit. She got hit. How much time you got? Here, watch this. I'm coming to you. Good job. I'm gonna come to Adam.
Okay, so Coda needs to get over here.
No, you need to figure out where she's at. That was really, come on. Go.
Nicely done. Nicely done.
She throws you the ball.
And she throws it
Your
to me.
turn. She's like,
Nicely done.
get him out of here. I'm done with him.
I think I'm out of treat. I got one more treat left.
Get him out of here.
Yes.
She's
You did
held me
nice.
scoreless.
Time to
2
get her
games.
and
I haven't
get
scored a
you
run.
Good. Din.
I haven't scored a run.
Thank y'all for joining.
You
Thank
can
y'all
walk
for
her around the
liking.
block, or the, if you want to take her. No, she's take her.
Yeah, thank y'all for joining and thank y'all for
30
liking.
minutes?
Huh?
Is it
Well,
30 minutes? Well, it's going to be 6:32, 6:33.
Okay, well, I just have to go for just a few more minutes.
No, just 2 more minutes. Hit her a couple more. You can hit her, so you can hit her up the stairs.
That's just how it started out. By her hitting it. Come here, cut it right here. Good.
How did it start out?
Like that. Throwing her just little short passes and her catching them in the air.
Passes? Tell me that she
Because
plays
at first
soccer.
she was scared to catch it in the air.
Do we got the other ball
Ready?
in there? I don't think we do. We don't have it. Sorry, Cody, we don't have it.
Good.
I said Sue her on with that soccer ball.
Then we started throwing it up
You want me to go
in
get
the
that
air.
soccer ball?
Good.
You got the keys?
But also,
Oh, you got the keys.
what?
I'm going to get the soccer ball real quick for the last minute.
Then we are on the last minute.
I know, but give me some.
But also, this ball smells like bacon, and what we've learned is that she can smell the ball better than it's over
Oh,
there.
she can't smell it better than she can see it.
She can see it.
Oh, where are the keys?
I don't know. They're in the bottom of that green thing.
I don't believe that. Tell them not to listen to that.
I learned that on the dog show on
You
Netflix.
got this little thing.
No, Ron, I'm shutting it down.
Huh? Shut it down, okay.
Yeah, okay. So we're going off live. Thank y'all, everybody, for joining. Toto, Don, Edward, Charlene, Kwatney, Holly T, huh? And Mike, Linda, Donna, Mark, Leonard, no, Lennell, Brian, B-R-Y-A-N. He wants y'all to see her play soccer. So he's going to get her, well, her soccer ball. Coda, come here. Look at this little cute little puppy dog, though. Come here. Come here, Coda, right here. Because she's distracted again. Coda, come here. Well, she's distracted because I think she had to go to the bathroom. But anyways, Brian, with an I, thank you for joining. Set heart me live goal. Oh, hold on.
Oh, there she comes. There she comes.
Is that your favorite ball, Coda? Oh! Did you tell the camera hi? Tell the camera hi. She just told the camera hi.
She's the goalie.
They're trying to do it now.
Okay, it's all good.
All right, we'll be back for another time for another live event.
Pop one from your point of view. That's pretty neat. Pop it from your point of view.
What am I doing?
You're kicking it from beside out in front of you. Drop the ball. Get the ball. Yeah, put it in the drop it.
He won't let me end it. But I can if I want to. Remy and Bonnie. My name was going to be Bonnie Forrest Brooks. Thank you for joining.
Right here. This imaginary goal. Right there. Stay. You get at the other side.
Hey, which one?
You, where the orange ball is. Cut it right here. Right here. All right, stay. You block this when Mama kicks it. Stay. You ready? You ready? Go. Oh, she's blocked.
Bring it on back.
Prodigal dog.
Bring it on back.
She went and she looked away too. All right, that's good.
Okay, gang.
Good job. Good job.
Cutting it
everybody.
out. Thank y'all.
Yay!
Thank you, Benny, for joining. Please like,